Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you how to upload from your Xbox One to YouTube. So you used to be able to do it from YouTube itself on the Xbox One, but now you can't. So you have to download an app called Upload Studio. So once you guys download an app called Upload Studio, which you can simply just download from the Microsoft Store, you then want to go to open up Upload Studio and type on Manage Your Clips. So I do have a couple short clips, and to record a clip, you just, when you're in a game, you tap the middle button, and it'll say X the recorder or something like that. So you need to tap on X and record for like 15-20 seconds. So let's say I want to upload this clip right here, 29 seconds long. You literally just tap on, you can actually edit in Upload Studio. So you can edit the video, blah blah blah. So alright, so you can basically just do a little editing. So let's say once you're finished the video, you just tap on finish editing it, you tap on finish. And then you guys want to make sure you tap on OneDrive. That's really important. So make sure OneDrive is on, and then you guys go on Nets. And then ready to upload. It just says make sure you're good, read that. Privacy settings, all that stuff. Tap on upload, and it's going to render your clip. So I'm going to get back to you guys when it gets to 100. Alright guys, so once it got to 100, now it's sharing to upload. So now we gotta wait until this is done, and obviously the longer the clip, the longer it's gonna take. It's only 29 seconds, so it's not gonna take as long, but we're just being patient. Alright guys, so once it's finished, it will say your video has been uploaded. So basically now we guys can go to your phone. And once we go to your phone, you guys want to go to the App Store and download Microsoft OneDrive. Search it up, download it. I'll have a download link for it down in the description. If I don't, just search it up and download it. So once you download it, you then want to open up and sign in with your Microsoft account that you use the same with your Xbox One account or the one you're on that you're Upload Studio. So make sure you're on the same account as the Xbox One account you're on. So once you guys do that, you guys then, since you upload to OneDrive, you then should find the video. So then you guys should go to videos. It said just now. And there it is right there, guys. So that is the video we just uploaded. So now what you guys can do is actually tap on it. And then since you guys tapped on it, you can tap on it again. Tap on the share in the top right, the arrow going up. And then tap on save video. So now the video will be saved to your photos. So tap on OK. And it's going to download the video to your gallery. And then from the gallery, you can upload to YouTube or go to YouTube app itself and upload the video from there. So here it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. And guys, you literally just tap on that and then tap on YouTube. Or go to YouTube itself and then upload it from YouTube. Peace.